Hey, it's Cassandra with Prince George Ford. We're here at the Pre-Owned Supercenter, and today we're having a look at this 2011 Ford F-150. This is an FX4 package on here. A beautiful ingot silver color, classic color, can't go wrong. It's a great looking truck, guys. For 2011, the body on this looks really great. You've got these awesome sort of chromed out wheels here. Great color matched canopy on there, which is such a great thing to have, especially come winter months. If you're going on a road trip, anything like that, you throw your stuff in the back here. You've got a box liner back here as well, so anything you throw back here is not going to be damaging the box of your truck. Powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, so plenty of hauling and towing capabilities for you. Coming up to the front door, this does have your keypad for entry. You get a unique 5-digit pin to your vehicle. You can use this to lock and unlock the vehicle without taking your keys out. You've got nice blacked out running boards for easy access to your cab. Back in the crew cab here, always a ton of room in these Super Cruise. Passengers have their own heat vents. You've got some cup holders for them. They also have 110 volt 150 watt power converter and a 12 volt power source. Your seats are a 60/40 folding split bench. A little bit of storage there underneath there for you, and a ton of flat storage with both seats up there. And they flip down and go up so easily. Into the front seat, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. You've got a Sony sound system in here. You've got 6-way adjustable power seats with 2 memory options. You also have power adjusting pedals as well. So both of those, you can save the way you like those set up. If somebody moves your truck, you know, takes it for a drive, whatever, next time you hop in, you hit your button and it's going to set back up exactly how you like it. So having a look at our dash here, this unit has only 123,328 kilometers. Which is great for an 8-year-old vehicle. On your steering wheel, you have controls for your cruise control as well as your dash options here, so you can filter through and get all sorts of different information from your gauges here. Whoops. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you've got infotainment and Bluetooth control, so all hands free. Over here to your infotainment screen, you've got this nice big screen here showing you your info for your entertainment there, your info for your climate, and this is actually a touch screen as well, so you can control everything right from the touch screen. You do have dual climate control in here, as well as heated seats for both driver and passenger. So driver and passenger can both be sitting at their own temperature, so everybody's nice and comfy. If you don't like using the touch screen, fear not, you still have your regular buttons down here. Easy to use, nice simple layout. You have your auxiliary and your USB connections just below there, and some great storage in front of your gear shifter. 4-wheel drive option on the turn knob there, just to the left of your infotainment, as well as your trailer brake controller. 2 cup holders here by your gear shift, and then you've got the nice sports console here, so this opens up for you. This is a removable shallow tray for storage. You've got a nice deep storage section there with another 12 volt power source. And to top it all off, a nice moonroof letting daylight into your cabin. So if you're in the market, this is a great option for anybody in the market for a truck. You can give us a call, 250-563-8111, or pop on by and visit us, and let's see what we can get you into today. Thanks for watching.